Good morning everyone. This is Niranjan Reddy, Assistant Professor, BITS Varangal. Today we will see carpentry process, different tools, marking tools, measuring tools, and types of timbers, also types of joints in the carpentry trade. So this is one of the trades of engineering workshop lab. So here timbers, Indian timbers, babul, mahogany, mango, teak. These are the timbers. So from which we'll get the uh, wooden work material. So compared to when the wood is the workpiece, so when in different applications, so it is used. So it is having some aesthetic appearance compared to other work materials. When it is finished, it is finished in all manners. So we'll see different types of tools, processes and joints that are existing, that are there in the carpentry trade. So marking tools, straight edge, tri square, bevel square. So straight edge is used to check the straightness of the workpiece. Tri square is used to check the perpendicularity of the workpiece. Bevel square, bevel square is used to make the lines on the workpiece, to mark or measure, to make the lines on the workpiece or work material. So uh, whose range whose range is, so the component, the measuring tool, so this range is, the measuring tool's range is 0 to 180 degrees. So this is about few marking or measuring tools in the carpentry trade, so which we will use mostly or mainly in the carpentry operations or carpentry processes. So next, cutting tools. So there are different types of cutting tools. So saws, chisels. So these are cutting tools in the woodworking or carpentry process. We have different types of saws: rib saw, crosscut saw, tenon saw, pad saw, compass saw, dovetail saw. Different types of saws are there. Rib saw is about 700 mm long. So in which 3 to 5 teeth are there per 25 mm. Crosscut saw. So this is about 600 to 650 mm long in length, and it is having 8 to 10 teeth per 25 mm. Tenon saw. So this is about 250 to 400 mm in length. It is having 13 teeth per 25 mm. So rib saw and crosscut saw are used when the workpiece thickness is high, and so in the tenon saw we have teeth like, so which resemble like equilateral triangle. So in different types of saws, the teeth profile will be different in the manner of angle, or the teeth may be straight or cross, or maybe having some angle like what we are having in tenon saw. So in this saw we are having equilateral triangle. So these are different types of cutting tools or saw. Chisels. So in the chisels we are having firmer chisel, bevel edge and mortise chisel and many more. So the former chisel is having a blade width more than these two chisels, bevel edge or mortise. So bevel edge means it is having, so bevel edge at the end. So in the cross section, it it is different from firmer chisel. Mortise chisel also, it is different from firmer chisel in the cross section. So mortise chisel is especially used when we are making mortise and tenon joint. So these are the joints, types of joints: half lap joint, mortise and tenon joint, bridle joint. So mortise and tenon joint means, so let us say this is mortise and this is tenon. The workpiece which is having rectangular peg at the end is called tenon. The workpiece which is having rectangular hole in it is called mortise. So this is like what I'm for example I'm showing. So mortise and tenon joint. So to make narrow holes or rectangular holes, so this chisel is used. Mortise chisel is used. So these are the different types of joints. And carpentry process: marking, sawing, planing, chiseling, boring, grooving, rebating, molding. So marking, without which whatever the joint we are making, it is not possible. So first we have to make do the marking operation by the marking tools. Sawing is a cutting operation. Planing, so planing is to make the workpiece smooth. So initially we are having a rough surface on the work material. So to remove the rough surface on the work material, we'll do the planing operation. To do the planing operation, we'll use different types of planes like metal jack plane, wood jack plane, and different types of planes. Then chiseling. So chiseling operation is always followed by the cutting operation or sawing operation. Boring operation. Boring is making the enlarged holes in the work material or wood. So next, grooving. So to grooving is making slots or recesses in the work material. Repeating. Repeating is also making a recess or making slots in the work material at the edges or on the edges of the workpiece. To explain this one, a door frame is having rebate and the door is made to fix in the door frame, and a glass in the window frame is fixed due to a rebate at the edge of the uh, work material. So this is rebating operation. Molding. So molding is making different types of profiles on the surface of the wood material. So these are the different types of carpentry process, and these are the carpentry joints. We are having other joints also. Apart from this, we are having dovetail joints, corner joints, and other joints. And these are the chisels, cutting tools, marking tools, and the raw material are the timbers, Indian timbers, from which we'll get the uh, raw material or work material. Veneering operation is making the edges straight, and plywoods also made by different process. So this is a brief about wood and woodworking, carpentry process, different types of joints, tools used in carpentry. So this is a brief about carpentry processes. We'll meet with another topic in the coming class. Thank you. Please do like, share, and subscribe my channel.